Changing the drive mode on your Canon R50 is quite easy. There's two different ways of getting to it. Now you can press on the back of the screen, press Q, and go down and select your drive mode from this option. And you get the single shooting, high speed continuous plus, which is fastest, high speed continuous, low speed continuous, self timer 10 seconds, self timer 2 seconds, or custom timer, where you can set your own time. Optionally, you can press menu on the back of your camera and go to shoot 6 and go down to drive mode from there, where you can choose all the drive mode settings from this menu. Okay, everybody, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Please feel free to join us on Discord, Facebook, and X. And if you can, please consider becoming a Patreon member. Also, if you're interested in what gear I use, those and all the other links can be found down in the description below.